case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1945 case of Store Properties, Inc. v. Neal, the District Court of Appeal of the State of California grappled with a nuanced and pivotal question of contract law. Filled with disagreement, accusations, and negotiations that did not come into fruition, the case put to test the very fundamentals of an enforceable contract. Initially, the plaintiff, Store Properties, Inc., had expressed their agreement to lease a property in Beverly Hills. The lease terms proposed by the defendant Neal were comprehensive, outlining a 99-year term, escalating rental rates, and assigning the responsibility for taxes, insurance, and maintenance to the lessee. A hefty sum of $18,000 was required at lease commencement, with the first year's rent costing $9,000. The final kicker? The offer was to be accepted in writing by the lessee before noon, October 23, 1944. However, not all went smoothly. Soon, Store Properties, Inc. found themselves filing a complaint against Neal, accusing him of contract violation. Their allegation hinged on one pivotal belief: that the prior agreement and its acceptance constituted a legally valid and binding 99-year lease contract. The lower court, on the other hand, thought differently, dismissing the case outright. On appeal, the court upheld the initial decision, citing that the agreement did not meet the clear-cut specifications of an enforceable contract. Neal's proposal was found lacking in important elements, causing the court to rule it was not sufficiently defined, complete, and identifiable. The final blow came with a closer look at the controversial 99-year lease, which was missing the landlord's critical approval, a mandatory requirement for any lease exceeding a year. Consequently, with the lease agreement lacking crucial provisions and the absentee landlord's signature, it became impossible for the negotiations to transition into a loaded, enforceable agreement.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lse.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.